at Honda Lemon Grove's shop, waiting for Philip to be done with his sister's car. I'm gonna be getting a tranny oil change, spark plugs, and new rear brake pads.
No, LAKEY, wait, what is it broken off of? What emblem?
Oh, it's a
Blood! Fuck your blood on the set, blood!
Hey, turn that shit up, nigga.
You a bitch, blood! Fuck your nigga!
Turn the music up, nigga.
YouTube, how you doing? Sean be getting gapped. Nah, I'm fucking around. Nah, but now we on the way to Type R Meet. I don't know where it's located. Where is it located? I don't fucking know. My twin.
They take so much time.
Oh, dude, this is fucking pristine, top of the line.
120K, baby.
Easy, bro. GT3.
Damn.
Buy some TEs.
I told my dad if he gets this, I'm gonna sign. We can have a TE. The 5x120, right? Made it one hole.
Giarola? Pretty far. Some GTRs here. Wait a minute. This ain't supposed to be here. Nah, I'm playing. Damn. Okay. FK Youngs. Sheesh. Formula Silvers. Type must be nice with the J's Racing. Type must be nice. Spoon wing. Mugen wheels. Dang. Bears hood, Bears front bumper. They look like NT03s. A little EG. A bucket sheet. Bro, this one is. $619 FK8 on the gram. Bro, his R is so clean, dude. White roll cage, white TEs. Man. Boost Blue FL5, limited edition, FK8. What up, foolies with the spoolies? I'm gonna be doing a voiceover because there was music playing in the background and I do not want to get copyrighted.
Yeah, I'm just gonna try to mimic what I say in the video. Super clean Teggy right here. I like the spoon inspired engine bay, with the blue and yellow. Dapped up a homie right here, said what's up. It's like, sheesh, yellow or Caros. Mark was like, let me know, I can open it for you. You see the GT3 RS? Yeah, I'm gonna need to borrow that real quick. Walked over here. This is the homie Mark's whip. This Type R, I believe, is 500 wheel, and I was like, look at the little Hello Kitty designs. Ryan's father's whip. Full Mugen. Paint match EVS lip go hard.
I know y'all seen this car before, but this is Ryan's
I wasn't blown trouble back then.
FL5.
My car was pushing. He was there, right? When I raced
Bronze TVs.
I feel like you
Dude,
should.
this thing is so clean, bro. Little stingray. Oh, look, my twin as well. There's another twin.
He's car. That shit pulls. He wasn't on bed at that time.
Heard this is making 400 wheel.
My shit. We're back. Cause I have JB4 MX.
E92 M3.
Oh my god.
What is this, S65? BMW's Notorious V8. Dude, this thing sounds good, bro.
Bro, but wait till we got higher RPM.
Jesus. Dude, I want one, bro. What the?
Holy.
Oh. Do it again, do it again, do it again. Yo.
Oh my god. Hold on.
Dude, this car is insane, bro. Insane. Nah, I want one now. What the fuck?
Oh my god.
This thing sounds fun, man. Motherfucker.
That's right, take it the red line. You see how good it handles too?
Yes, sir. R plus. Stop playing.
What's he honking like? I forgot the seatbelt.
We at the beach.
No, it does feel better.
Does.
Oh yeah.
It does. I just gotta tighten that
What the fuck?
tranny oil change, bro. It's just like butter.
I didn't do mine.
No more wood trim. Stop playing. Alcantara suede everything, bruh. This.
50 bones.
New lug nuts. New license plate cover. On the way to B-dubs with the Beamer boys. Only fucking Honda. Golly.
I couldn't believe my eyes, bro. Rock down there, bitch. No one doing that.
Facing turbo. Hella shit. Sheepy race intercooler. Damn. Yeah, that's hard. FDRX7.
If you tried the VR1
Damn, bruh. This shit crazy. Bro got that dual tomate, dog. What the fuck? DSM 4G63, I believe.
I pretty much always use it. It's such a small motor. It's automatic. I use it to get up on the
That shit crazy, bro. Dang. Okay. That shit hard, bro.
And if I make it, then we made it, I can't get it wrong. And I keep stressing, said this shit ain't close to being home. this for my family. If you asking, no, I do this for.